How to access remote computer using Anydesk. To download Anydesk, go to video description and click on the link that will land you to official website, and you could see on the screen you will be able to download Anydesk. Please note that this is only 8 MB software. Once downloaded, it will take few seconds to quick install to your computer. After the quick installation, you will be landed on Anydesk dashboard where you could see your address, which you can give someone to access your computer. And if you want to access another computer, you could enter the remote address here. Also, please note that Anydesk will be required to install on both the computers, the remote and the host computers. Now here is the remote computer that we will be going to access in this example. Let me position Anydesk and remote computer correctly so you will be able to understand everything easily. We have to enter this key into our remote address 17558220078. Once you have entered this address, then please click on Go button. Now you see the connecting here and the connection is in progress. On the remote computer, you will be going to get the permission access. Yes, we want to allow Anydesk to make changes for remote access. Let's accept the remote session. Perfect. Now here you could see we have accessed the remote computer. Let's minimize the Anydesk on remote computer, and here we could do whatever we want. So that's it about today's quick and easy video how to use Anydesk to access remote computer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.